What if one tiny addition to your daily diet could change the way your body looks, feels, and functions? Chia seeds, those small, unassuming black and white seeds, have been hailed as a superfood for centuries. But did you know they can play a critical role in helping you lose weight and maintain a healthier lifestyle? In this video, we'll uncover exactly what happens to your body when you use chia seeds for weight loss. From their science-backed benefits to the tangible changes you'll experience, you won't want to miss a single detail. The nutritional powerhouse hidden in tiny seeds. At first glance, chia seeds might not look like much, but don't let their size fool you. These tiny seeds pack an enormous nutritional punch. Just 1 ounce, or about 2 tablespoons, provides 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, most of which are heart-healthy omega-3s, and a rich supply of calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. What makes chia seeds so unique is their ability to absorb up to 10 times their weight in water. This forms a gel-like substance in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer periods and naturally reducing calorie intake. But the benefits don't stop at satiety. Chia seeds are also a low-carb food, making them an excellent choice for those following keto or low-carb diets. Their high fiber content slows the digestion process, stabilizing blood sugar levels and preventing insulin spikes, 2 critical factors in weight management. Combined with their protein content, chia seeds support muscle maintenance and fat loss, especially when paired with regular exercise. Imagine starting your morning with a chia seed pudding or adding a spoonful to your smoothie. Not only are you giving your body a boost of nutrients, but you're also setting yourself up for better portion control and fewer cravings throughout the day. How chia seeds transform your metabolism. One of the most remarkable effects of chia seeds on your body is how they interact with your metabolism. Their high fiber content doesn't just aid digestion, it actually enhances your body's ability to burn calories more efficiently. Here's how it works. Fiber slows the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugar, which helps maintain steady energy levels and prevents the infamous energy crashes that lead to overeating. Moreover, chia seeds are a significant source of omega-3 fatty acids, known for their role in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is often linked to weight gain and difficulty losing weight. By reducing inflammation, chia seeds create a more favorable environment for fat loss. But the metabolic benefits don't end there. Chia seeds are also a rich source of plant-based protein, which helps boost your resting metabolic rate. Protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats or carbohydrates, meaning your body burns more calories processing it. This thermogenic effect not only supports weight loss, but also helps maintain lean muscle mass, a key factor in achieving long-term results. So, how does this translate to your everyday life? Incorporating chia seeds into meals could mean fewer energy dips throughout the day, better control over hunger, and an overall increase in your body's ability to burn calories. But this isn't just about numbers. It's about feeling energized, balanced, and in control of your health. The role of chia seeds in gut health. When it comes to weight loss, your gut health plays a far more critical role than you might think, and chia seeds shine in this department. The high fiber content in chia seeds acts as a prebiotic, feeding the healthy bacteria in your gut. These bacteria are responsible for breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and even regulating hormones that influence hunger and appetite. Chia seeds' soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel in your digestive system. This not only helps with regular bowel movements, but also slows the absorption of sugars and fats. As a result, you're less likely to experience spikes in blood sugar levels, which are often followed by energy crashes and cravings. Additionally, a healthy gut microbiome is associated with better mood regulation, lower levels of stress, and improved sleep, all of which indirectly impact your ability to lose weight. After all, when you're feeling your best mentally and physically, it's much easier to stick to healthy habits. Adding chia seeds to your diet could mean saying goodbye to bloating, irregular digestion, and energy swings. Instead, you'll feel lighter, more energetic, and in tune with your body. From smoothies to baked goods, the possibilities for incorporating chia seeds into your diet are endless, and the benefits are undeniable. Chia seeds and hormonal balance. Your hormones play a pivotal role in weight management, and chia seeds can help keep them in check. Hormones like insulin, cortisol, and ghrelin directly influence how your body stores fat, burns calories, and experiences hunger. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can have a balancing effect on these crucial hormones, making your weight loss journey smoother and more sustainable. Let's start with insulin. Chia seeds help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of glucose into your bloodstream. This prevents insulin spikes, which are often responsible for fat storage, especially around the abdomen. Consistently stable blood sugar levels not only aid weight loss but also reduce cravings for sugary snacks, a common pitfall for many. Next is cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels are linked to increased fat storage, particularly in the midsection. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are known to reduce inflammation and improve your body's stress response, helping to lower cortisol levels naturally. Finally, chia seeds can help regulate ghrelin, often referred to as the hunger hormone. The high fiber content in chia seeds keeps you feeling full for longer, signaling to your brain that your body doesn't need more food. This can significantly reduce mindless snacking or overeating, two habits that often derail weight loss efforts. By supporting hormonal balance, chia seeds do more than just help you lose weight. They create a foundation for long-term health and well-being. How to use chia seeds effectively for weight loss. While chia seeds are undoubtedly powerful, knowing how to use them correctly is key to unlocking their full potential. The good news? These seeds are incredibly versatile and can be added to almost any meal or snack. One of the simplest ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet is by soaking them in water or milk to create a chia pudding. This process activates the seeds, making them easier to digest and allowing your body to absorb their nutrients more effectively. Chia pudding can be flavored with natural sweeteners like honey or topped with fruits for an extra nutritional boost. If pudding isn't your thing, you can sprinkle chia seeds onto salads, yogurt, oatmeal, or even soups. They have a neutral flavor, so they won't overpower your dish. For an energy-packed smoothie, blend a tablespoon of chia seeds with your favorite fruits and a protein source like almond butter or Greek yogurt. One important tip: always drink plenty of water when consuming chia seeds. Their high fiber content means they absorb a lot of liquid, and staying hydrated ensures smooth digestion. Additionally, start with a small serving, such as 1 tablespoon per day, and gradually increase it to avoid any digestive discomfort. By making chia seeds a regular part of your routine, you're not just adding a healthy ingredient, you're making a small, sustainable change that can lead to significant weight loss results over time. Enhanced energy and physical performance. One of the lesser-known benefits of chia seeds is their ability to boost energy levels and improve physical performance, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss journey. Chia seeds were once used by ancient Aztec and Mayan warriors as a source of endurance and vitality, and modern science supports their energizing effects. Thanks to their high levels of complex carbohydrates and fiber, chia seeds provide a steady release of energy throughout the day. Unlike sugary snacks or caffeine, which can cause energy spikes and crashes, chia seeds help sustain consistent energy levels, allowing you to stay active and productive without feeling fatigued. For those who exercise as part of their weight loss routine, chia seeds can be a game changer. The omega-3 fatty acids and protein in chia seeds support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation after workouts. Additionally, their hydrating properties, thanks to their ability to absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, can help keep you hydrated during physical activities, improving stamina and endurance. Imagine having a natural source of energy that fuels your day and supports your fitness goals without the need for processed supplements or quick fixes. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a walk, or tackling a busy day, adding chia seeds to your pre- or post-workout routine can give you the sustained energy and recovery support you need to stay on track. With this boost in energy and physical performance, chia seeds help you not only lose weight, but also feel stronger and more capable along the way. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can have a transformative effect on your body and overall health, especially when it comes to weight loss. These tiny seeds pack a powerful punch, offering high levels of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential nutrients, all of which contribute to better digestion, enhanced metabolism, improved hormonal balance, and long-lasting satiety. As we've explored, chia seeds work on multiple levels. They help regulate your blood sugar, reduce cravings, and even support your mental well-being by improving gut health. They're easy to use, versatile in recipes, and can be seamlessly added to your meals or snacks. Whether it's a creamy chia pudding, a smoothie boost, or a crunchy salad topping, the possibilities are endless. But the key to success is consistency. Incorporating chia seeds into a balanced diet and pairing them with an active lifestyle can help you achieve sustainable weight loss while nourishing your body from the inside out. Now it's your turn. Start your journey with chia seeds today and see how these small changes can make a big difference in your health. Don't forget to check the link pinned in the comments and in the video description for more tips, recipes, and resources to support your weight loss goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Together, we'll uncover the best ways to live a healthier, more vibrant life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.